to see all of you. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. So, if you haven't subscribed, go down and hit that little bell and the subscribe, and that's all there is to it. You'll be a subscriber and you'll just get a notification when I have a new video coming up. Well, today I am making for you a casserole that is pure oven-baked perfection. That's right, it will melt your taste buds. And it's a crack chicken oven-baked casserole. And it is super easy to make, but it is crack-alicious. I crack myself up. And if you've been watching me, you know that I try to put a little bit of humor in my channel. You don't have to be a serious baker, right? You can have fun. So, without further ado, I'm going to get started on this. I have preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Now, you're going to need a bowl. Just any kind of a mixing bowl. And what you're going to put in this mixing bowl to start off is an 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese. There you go. And I have here an 8-ounce container of sour cream. So let me get that in here. It's going to be crack-alicious, I guarantee you. Wait till you see the other ingredients that are in here. And I will put the recipe down below for you in the description box. Now we're going to mix this together. I think it's easy to just do it with a fork. As long as everything is soft. You see that? You can just mix the sour cream and the cream cheese with a fork. It happens to be Memorial Day weekend. And we're not doing anything really special. We had a little outdoor sort of dinner last night. Tonight we're having this. The weather's beautiful here in New Jersey. I'm not really sure what we're going to do tomorrow or the next day. But I'm just so glad it's sunny out and I couldn't ask for better weather. We've had many Memorial Days where it's rained, but this one, the perfect 10. So as you can see, I'm just mixing the cream cheese and the sour cream together with a fork. So do any of you have any special plans for the Memorial Day weekend? I know some of you who may work hard during the week just want to relax. And I know a lot of people in New Jersey, because the weather's so nice, they've gone to the beach. The beach. Oh, the beach is my happy place. Maybe I'll win the lottery someday, and then I can buy a house right down there on the beach. Well, in New Jersey, we don't say we're going to the beach. We say we're going down the shore. That's a New Jersey thing. And we don't call pork roll. No, not in New Jersey. It's Taylor ham. It's always been Taylor ham since I was a kid. And I don't know, I heard the governor was going to make the Taylor ham and egg and cheese sandwich the sandwich of New Jersey. I don't know. But we go down the shore and we have Taylor ham sandwiches. All right, so this is all mixed up pretty well. I'm going to put this aside. Okay. Next, you're going to need, and let me bring over the box, some Ritz crackers. You're only going to need about 1 sleeve of them. And just the original Ritz crackers. Take a Ziploc bag. I've already done this, but you're going to crush up 1 cup of the Ritz crackers. I've already done it and I have it in here. So let me put them in the bag. And then what you're going to do is you're going to melt 1/4 cup of butter. We're going to put it in the Ziploc bag with the Ritz crackers. Close it up, and we're just going to kind of toss it around a little bit just to kind of coat some of those crackers with the butter. Just get the crackers covered. Very easy. I find it easy to do it in a Ziploc bag. There you go. Woo! Okay. They look nice and coated with butter to me. So I'm going to put them aside over here. Now I'm going to take a casserole dish, okay? And in this casserole dish, I'm going to put 1 can. I just happen to be using Campbell's. In here, I'm going to put 1 can of cream of chicken soup right there in my 9x13 casserole dish. Let me put this down here. Now, I'm going to add my cream cheese mixture to the soup. So let me get that in there. This is so delicious. I guess that's why they call it crack chicken. It's very addictive. Okay, let's get this in here. Boom, it's much better for us. There you go. Okay. You get all this out of here. I don't want to waste any of this lusciousness. No. All right, move that back over there. Now to this, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of ranch seasoning. It either comes in an envelope like this, some people buy it in the jar, but we're going to add 2 tablespoons to this. So let me measure this out. Sprinkle it around. Here we go, 2 tablespoons, okay. And to that, I am going to add 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. So let me just toss that around in there. Okay. And then I'm going to take my spoon. That's my dog behind me. I dropped the spoon before on the floor, and I was going to clean it up later, but she's licking it up. So I guess I don't have to clean it up. Brandy, stop that. Stop. All right, so I'm going to mix all of this up into the dish. So as long as you pre-measure everything, it's just a matter of putting everything in your casserole dish. Oh, this looks delicious. Oh my goodness. Woo. Let me see what she's doing down there. Brandy, she's walking all around the kitchen and her nails are tapping on the floor. Sounds like I have a tap dancer in my kitchen. Brandy, go lay down. All right. I'll hold this up so you can see it. So here you go. I mixed everything together in here. All right. So now what are we going to do next? Well, I used a rotisserie chicken from the food store. And I took off the meat. And you can use anywhere from 2 to 3 cups of chicken. Now you can make your own chicken if you want. I found it easier and more cost effective to do it this way. So I have about 3 cups of chicken I'm going to put in there. Let me move that away. And I'm going to mix this all together now. Oh, it looks really good. Oh. You just want to coat your chicken with all that luscious mixture we have in there. Oh yeah. Now, you would think that that would be enough, right? No. No. All right, I got all that mixed together. All right, now what I'm going to do, it's going to be the icing on the cake. Well, let's just say the icing on the chicken. So now I'm going to take 1 cup of bacon that I already cooked. I made it nice and crispy, and I broke it up into pieces. And now I'm going to take my cooked crispy bacon pieces and sprinkle them all over the top. Oh, can you imagine this? Chicken, bacon, ranch seasoning in here. Brownie smells of the bacon. Go lay down, Brownie. This is not for you. No. Go lay down. hard to bake. It's hard to bake with little children, but I think it's worse to bake with a dog. Okay, so this is all sprinkled on top. I'll hold it up so you can see it. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to just sprinkle these on now. Oh yeah, look at this. These buttery, crushed up Ritz crackers. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, they look delicious. Okay, here we go. Oh. Now let me hold this up for you. Look at this. So now I am going to put this in my 350 degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Oh, and then I'm going to take it out and we're going to do a taste testing. Just look at this. Oh, buttery Ritz crackers, bacon, cheese, chicken, and that lusciousness. Oh, can't wait, so don't go away. I'm dying to taste this. Oh, it's going to be crack-alicious, so stay tuned. Okay, well, this is out of the oven. It's piping hot, and I can't wait to taste it. Oh my goodness. So let me get a little bit out of here in the corner. Oh, it's so creamy. Oh, look at this. It's still a little hot, but I don't care. I'm going to give this baby a taste. Oh my goodness. Let me just tell you, this is a perfect 10. Oh my goodness. With the crunchy top and the melted cheese and the bacon and the chicken, it is absolutely delicious. So get cracking in your kitchen and whip this amazing cracked chicken casserole up today. Let me tell you, your friends, your family will be singing your praises and asking for more. 2 thumbs up. So, thank you all for watching. I appreciate you. You know how much I love you all. Don't forget to come on back and definitely make this. And when you do, come back and tell me what you thought. It is so good. So I'm going to eat dinner now. So good. I will see you all very soon. Love you. Toodles.